Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips, experience as well as lots of things you will get. So if you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe because you will get quality content and as well as you will get your success path of first job, placement solutions, all those things you will get. Let's get started. As I have promised to my viewers that I will prepare definitely to TCS off campus phase to drive details as well as syllabus, how to prepare, all these details I'm going to discuss in today's video. So also I will give some tips and tricks as I'm belonging from IT industry. So as now I'm having 2.5 years or more than that experience. So from my experience, I will definitely try to guide you guys. So TCS off campus phase 2 drive syllabus is out for 2020 and 21 batch. You can check this out. I will definitely give these details. First, let me discuss with you few important things like what will be the section in this exam of this online examination. Two section will be there. Part A will consist of cognitive skills. Part B will consist of programming skills. In part A, you will get numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. All total 120 minutes time you will get. You are able to see different time limit for each section. For programming, you will get total 60 minutes. You will get programming logic 15 minutes and coding section 45 minutes. In coding section, you need to solve two questions and you have to pass the test cases there. So I have already prepared one video. Like if you have zero knowledge in coding, then how will you clear this coding section of TCS? How can you clear without having coding knowledge? You will definitely pass with that trick. I have prepared that video. Go and check this out. I will give the link in the description box. So in programming logic section, you will get MCQ type question. You have to fill up the MCQ details there. So now I'm going to discuss the important areas which already have come in previous year paper as well as in phase 1 also. Lots of students will get question from these common questions. Definitely, I will share few questions also in upcoming series. This video is the TCS preparation phase 2 series 1. Definitely, it will come in part 2, part 3 in this manner. So, stay tuned with us and hit the subscribe so that whenever we publish for the section 2 or the part 2 or part 3, you will come and watch. So, arrangement and series you have to practice. I will suggest two important book for this. One is R.S. Agarwal and another one is the Orun Sharma cat preparation book. That one, if you are doing preparation for cat, also you can check this out. Otherwise, R.S. Agarwal is very good book to prepare the aptitude. Arrangement series you need to check number system, LCM, HCF, percentages, allegation mixtures, time, speed, distance, geometry, probability, ratio, proportion, averages, reasoning, work and time, divisibility, profit and loss, ages, clocks and calendar, series, progression, equations, averages, area shapes and perimeter, numbers and decimal fractions. You will definitely get. In verbal ability, you will be able to know synonyms, antonyms, prepositions, sentence completion, active and passive voice, idioms, phrases, spelling test, spotting errors, passage completion, substitution, sentence arrangement, transformation, sentence improvement, para completion, joining sentence, error correction, fill in the blanks. And in reasoning ability, you have to practice these ones like number series, meaningful word creation, missing number analogy, data sufficiency, blood relation, coding, decoding, edges, odd man out, distance direction, analogy, sitting arrangement, mathematical operation arrangement, symbol and notation. Now for the part B, that is the programming, the various important areas from where the questions may come, like data types, prepare very well, input output section based on C, function scope, inbuilt libraries, variables registers, command line programming, pointer, call by value, call by reference. From Java or from OOPS concept, encapsulation is important, virtual, pure virtual, constructor, destructor, iteration, recursion, procedural versus OOPS, classes, objects, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, stack. All these are important topics. Linked list, tree, binary search tree, graph, searching, sorting, hash, hashing, aerial trees, beast trees. In the coding, you will get options for C++, Java, C, Perl, and Python to solve your coding questions. So now, what is the exam date? Obviously, last date of registration is 15th of November. So it will occur after 15th of November. So you can expect the examination will start within the last week of November or first week of December. So what is the time duration? As I mentioned, 180 minutes is the total time. So now, regarding few tips and trips, how you can manage the time, as well as how you can focus the important areas. Like if you were if you are facing problem in one question, try to skip that so that the next question you can solve. As much as right answer you provide, the selection chances of getting selection is higher. Okay, so first of all, time management is required, and do not skip the question. There is no negative marking, so try to guess the answer also. Okay, so focus on aptitude first thing. Like 1 month before the exam, you need to dedicate at least 3 to 4 hours for aptitude. Standard book, as I mentioned, R.S. Agarwal. The difficulty question come maybe from medium to high. Do not cram anything. Understand the concept, and t- try to take some mock test so that you can understand your preparation level, and give at least two mock test. Try to give every day if it possible, then it's good. If it not possible, then try to give at least one mock test on alternative day basis. Okay, keep tracking that how much time you are importing in each section. So it is helpful for TCS preparation as well as Cognizant preparation, Capgemini, any kind of IT industries aptitude round. You have to prepare in this manner. Try to prepare the previous year questions. So psychometric test, if you choose the TCS NQT variants, like if you buy some TCS NQT paid examination, then there you will find the psychometric test also. So these are kind of similar with HR interview. You have to have positive mindset to crack these interviews. So all these tips I want to share with you. Hope this is really helpful for you. Stay tuned with me to get the next series of these videos of this TCS NQT phase 2. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us, and hit the like button if you really